Here is just a quick installation video of Speed to Lead Action Automation for Workflows. Navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app and then click on it. Click on Install, click on Allow and Install. Ignore this pop-up. Once you're done with your installation, reload the page and search for the custom page of the app. This interface is going to pop up, showing all the credentials needed for the app. We have the statistics that shows the results of the app Speed to Lead. And we have the documentation and everything you need to get started with the app is right in here. We have the tutorial, Smart Queue video and the configuration video that is going to guide you on how to complete your app setup. We have the app setup. No worries, let's walk you through on how to connect this app. Click on Start Setup, insert your email, then click on Complete Setup. Once you insert your email, your app will be successfully connected in case the app has not yet been connected. We have the support center where you'll be able to submit a detailed request and schedule a one-on-one video session with our support team, and as well the Changelog feature that is going to enable you to track all the updates and improvements made on this specific app. To receive emails or stay updated, toggle on the email notification button, insert your email, then you click subscribe. You've learned how to install and configure your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Thanks for watching.